being the father. So ito yung gibati ito, nakita niyo siya seeking for help, and you were there. I suppose you were still awake that time. Ito ang feeling niyo.
Lingaw.
Meaningful.
I am entertained. Wala man nangyayari sa anak ko. She is not hurt. Of course, there's yung hearing sa confidential funds niya. Bakit man ako magsabi, matakotin mo ako, i-imbestiya mo ako confidential fund? O sige, talungin mo ako. What did you about? Sige, you ask me. I'll give you the correct answer.
What happened to your confidential fund? Supposedly.
Well, it was spent properly.
But why is she not answering the Congress daw?
Confidential nga eh. Bakit patawagin niya ng confidential kung...
Pero yun kasi yung issue na ginamit.
But you kept mum about it all along.
Hindi, lahat yan sila, patayan si Martin Romualdez, wag binabot na bilyon yan. Kaya, mausapan lang naman. Maybe one of the things that I will do next is, of course, this time I would be appealing to every Filipino. Lahat na. Once and for all. Buhay man yung COA, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Huwag na lang muna yung ngayon yung this year lang. Tapos, pagkatapos, buksan natin next year. Buksan ng Congress. Ang Congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books. Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang inang pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag ka magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Kinukuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan yan sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang, opening of the bank, may libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. So, audit.
Pero bingi man sila na years of...
Ang hindi talaga ino-audit. Telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Magtanong ka ng witness, katabi ko, speaker man yan. No? Tanungin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit. Audit lang yan.
So Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the book of how she spend the confidential funds.
Of course, yes, to. Nandiyan, inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya ingat.
So why can't she just explain it here?
Ini-explain na nga iha. Sa document nasa documentary ano pa. Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, pero sa COA ang ibang dokumento eh. Kaya nga sabi niya Zulaika, wag mo na munang ibigay dito. Kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Zulaika was cited for confidential.
That's the reason why. Why should it be an interference kung sinabi ko, wag mo muna akong ipa-audit dito, tapusin mo yung audit doon, yung papilis nandyan yan. What is wrong with that? What is contemptible sa...
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate, the Congress calling you and you're still there for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit formal.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bebot. Si Bebot man nandun. Bakit ako tanungin? Hindi man ako
you, how do you see this, no?
Siya.
Ikaw gani ang di pangutana. Kasi mo tanawan ni ginahimo para sa Congress, no? It's you,
Gwapo
Vice President.
Bebot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani.
Kaya nga kinasagot kita eh.
Ikaw na.
Bugwa kanta ka ani ro, no?
Layo. Gusto kayo mo feeling na yung nga personal na maligin nyo, ha?
Pero kayo naman, you are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang ano nila Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit Duterte? Wala man kami opposition kami in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na pero ang labas ngayon ang walang iba yung wala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako po PDP. But kami nga yung ano aywan ko ba?
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. If it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan. Bebot lang man.
There are,
Who will join you? Wala matapang?
Ha?
Wala matapang na politician who will join you?
Mas grabe ito. Bebot kay nung military, paanuhin na niya. Military, wake up.
there are observers, no, from other countries.
Hindi ganito yan,
There's
ha?
a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi kay July ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi itambalos-los bata niya. So itong tao walang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprained. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can... it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court. Unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Mga next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance remedy, so it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fractured governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo, ano mga opisyal dyan, sinabi na magpunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig ko sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila doon sa hotel. Sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita na magpunta yung tangki digira na. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Hindi
Getting
sila
out means
I don't know, basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta sabi lang ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
silent protest, not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the commander-in-chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the commander-in-chief. That's it.
Ay, hindi, sabihin lang nga niya, Sir, wag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89
Ito nung samot natin.
pinagbili nila. Saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress kung may resolution tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ang people dyan, pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.